Hi, I'm Peter, and in this video I will show you how to refurbish your headlight. This one. This is a Volvo 850 headlight. After we are done, you will see. There will be 3 videos, including this one. The first one, this, will be the disassembly process. The second will be the preparation for the assembly. The third will be the assembly. We will go from this to this. Let's start. The things you will need: gloves, a long flathead screwdriver, some bits, Phillips and the Torx from T10 to T25. First, you need to get the headlight out from the car. There are 3 10mm socket screws holding it. 1, 2 and 3. And then you just pull it out from the car forward. You have to watch for the indicator, which is on this side. So that's all. After you took it out, I really recommend you to clean it a bit, because it's gonna be very dirty. First, you have to get the leveling motor out. This is responsible for the vertical position of the reflectors. You just turn it, move the back up and the front down, you will hear a click, and then you can pull it out.
Like that.
If the leveler doesn't come out easy, don't go on it harder. There is an adjuster on the back. You have to turn it clockwise and it's gonna move it forward so you can play it out easily. Just be patient. See? Don't force it too hard, because it's going to break like this. And it's useless like this. You can throw it out in the trash. Now you have to remove the end stop of the headlight wiper, if you have one. Just one screw and it's out, it's on the bottom of the headlight. Now you can go for the lens. You will need a flathead screwdriver for it. Get the clips off the headlight from the back. It's important to do it from the back, because this way you won't damage the glass. Go around and be patient. After you removed all the clips, it's time to take the lens off. There are 2 holes on the side of the headlight. You can start here very carefully. If you go under the ceiling, you probably won't damage the glass. If you're not so sure about it, use something plastic or cover the screwdriver with electrical tape. Now you need to get the reflector out. The reflector is in the housing fixed on 3 points. 1 point is the leveling motor we just removed. The other 2 points are inside the housing on the bottom of the reflector. One is on the side and one is around the middle. Now you will need the long flathead screwdriver. You just put it inside the housing, find the plastic that holds the reflector, bend it a bit, and it pops if you pull the reflector out a bit. Almost there. Now you can pull the reflector out, but something still holds it. The cables. You need to remove the bulbs and the ground cables from the sockets. If you have gloves, like I recommended, you can pull them off quite easily, but you can also use a plier. The reflector is out. Now remove the leveling knob, it's a Phillips 2, and the cover of the low beam, 3 T10 Torxes. You just need to remove the cable harness and the sealing. You can remove the cable harness easily from inside by pushing it together and towards the back of the headlight. The sealing, you just pull it out if it didn't come with the glass yet. So this is how you get the wiring harness out. Let's see. Put it back in. So you put this and this together, you push it like that, and you go up, down, one side, the other side, and you can pull it out. And you are done. It's taken apart to the bone. I will record the second and the third videos soon and show you the next steps. If you would like to support my work, like, subscribe and check the merch in my Redbubble shop, my 3D models on Cards 3D and the things I sell on eBay. There are many things for Volvo 850s, like this t-shirt. See you in the following videos finishing this headlight. Thanks, bye!